This boho headband made using half double crochets and chains, and I used some puff stitches as well. So let us start making it. For my tutorial I am using patterns hamster yarn and 2mm crochet hook. Okay. To begin with, I am using this green yarn and the 2mm crochet hook, and starting with a slip stitch on my hook. Okay, then I am going to make a foundation chain of multiple of 3 plus 2. I am going to make 12 stitches, 12 chains. Now I am going to make chain 1, turn my work. I am going to make 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, then chain 2. I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches, then on the third one I am making another half double crochet, then again chain 2, skip 2 and another half double crochet, then chain 2, skip 2 and one more half double crochet, chain 2, skip the next 2, and in the last one I'm going to make that turning chain. I'm going to make a half double crochet. Now chain 1, again that chain 1 is not considered as a stitch, so I'm going to make 1 half double crochet in the first stitch itself, then chain 1. Now there's a difference in the stitching pattern, so I'm going to make a yarn over hook going to the left of that half double crochet in the previous row and making a half double crochet. This is that crossed over that half double crochet and made it. Then I'm going to chain 1, then yarn over hook, cross over to the other side of the half double crochet in the previous row and make a crossover half double crochet. Again make another half double crochet to the left of the next half double crochet of the previous row, then chain 1, then cross over and make another half double crochet. Now we go to the next half double crochet and making crossover half double crochets there as well. Then here I'm going to make chain 1 and go into the last stitch over here. You can go between this chain 1 and the half double crochet here. That will give you that perfect edging. But don't worry, we will be creating an edging for this this headband. This we are making in widthwise, so it looks like this. Then again chain 1, which is not a stitch, and we are going to make a half double crochet in the same beginning stitch, then chain 2. Now we are going to make a half double crochet in that chain one space here. Okay, then chain 2, another half double crochet in the chain one space of the previous row. You can stretch it a little bit so you can see. Again repeat that one. Then chain 2 again, and we are at the end of the row, so go between that space. Okay, now go ahead and repeat the rows 2 and 3, and that's it, the pattern. You can even create a blanket using this pattern. For that you make the width you needed for the blanket by chaining multiple of 3, then adding extra 2 chains, then single crochet all across, then repeat the pattern same like this. With the small hook it is a little hard. How do you like this pattern? Is it getting better for you? If you like this, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next ones. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon, that way you will get notified when I add a new video. Usually I add a new video every Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you're making this one with a thicker yarn, you will be finishing it in 15 minutes. But the thin yarn will make it looking good for the spring and summer. Do you really like making edging for the headbands or your blankets or your scarves? Sometimes I make edgings. Sometimes I'm just lazy. It's getting easier now, right? Now this one is finished. I made it into 19 inches. Now I will add one elastic in the end, the hair tie. But before that, let us make the edging. I'll show you how to do the edging. So this is the last stitch. We are going to chain 1 in single crochet in the first loop. Then we make a chain 3 and yarn over hook insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the 2 loops on the hook. We have 2 loops remaining on the hook. Then yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the next first 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops again. Then we have 4 loops on the hook. So yarn over hook and go through all the 4 loops on the hook. Now we make it chain 1, then go to the next space and make a single crochet. Then again chain 3 and make another puff stitch just like the one before. So you get a scalloped edges. We'll do another one too. So chain 3, then make a puff stitch with the 3 half double crochets, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over hook, go through all the 4 loops, then go to the next one, make a single crochet, chain 3, one, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 loops is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then go to the next space. So we have this scalloped edges. I'm going to use different color, so we will see that. Just finish the chain 2 and the last half double crochet, then chain 1 and cut your yarn and lock that loop. Now I take some pink yarn, attach this in here, chain 1 and a single crochet, now the same 1, 2, 3 chains, and through that first single crochet, insert the yarn, bring up a loop, go through the first 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert, bring up a loop, go through the first 2 loops on the hook, then again one more. I'll go with the 5. So one more times, though I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook, yarn over hook and go through all the 5. Then I'm going to join to the next available space with a single crochet, then again chain 3, then through that single crochet make 1, 2, 3 and 4, yarn over hook, go through all the 5 loops on the hook, then go to the next loop and single crochet, So 5 loops, go through all the 5 loops and then to the next spaces here. We'll see once one side is finished and we will meet again. Now this is the finished headband. I attached the hair elastic in the back and stitched it to this side. If you like this pattern, you may like my other boho headbands too, so I will add them in the description. So this is the finished headband. I added a hair elastic to the end. See, this is the yarn is not that stretchy. It is a mix of hemp cotton. So I added the hair tie to make it stay on your hair. If you like this boho headband, you may like my other boho headbands.